What's up, my people? It's Teshorn Jackson here with another video, but I'm reporting this time live from one of my favorite cities in North America. Can you take a guess where I'm at? Mexico City, here in Condesa. I think it's La Condesa, but Mexico City nonetheless. I am here because I came here back in January for my birthday, and I love the energy and vibe of the city, and I love the colors and the texture and the people that I met. And I said, you know what? People have been asking me about the Resolve Workshop 2.0. We had the first one in Los Angeles, February of 2020. And while we planned for the other one for 2021, we know what happened. COVID stole it from us. But this time I am here doing a site visit to make sure it is the perfect place for the workshop. And I had a second meeting with the hotel today. I got the green light. But I got to talk to my team before we make it official. Anyway, doing my site visit today, I came across something that I think you need to hear. Very important. As I was walking through downtown, I noticed something that caught my eye. There was a lighting company on the left side of the street. And as I kept walking, I'm like, another lighting company is right next to them. And I kept walking into downtown, and I'm seeing three lighting companies side by side. And to my right, there's lighting companies there as well. And I'm thinking, how are these people thriving if they're all selling the same thing? Have you ever had an idea and you said to yourself, well, you know what? Someone else has done that before. I can't do that. Or I want to work on this project or this product. I want to sell this project. I want to sell the product. And someone else already done it. So what? So what? For me, when I saw these lighting companies, it just triggered that thought. Many times we get in our own way. Don't let anyone stop you, including yourself, from working on the projects you want to work on. Again, I'm walking down the street and there's lighting companies to my left, there's lighting companies to my right. I turn to the right and I look to my left, again, there's another lighting business there. There's one right next to them. Can you imagine if these companies, the owner of the company said, you know what? I can't create a lighting business because someone else already had that. No, he said, you know what? I don't care if Raul, Juan Pablo, or whomever have a lighting business. I'm going to set up shop right next to them. And the next person said, you know what? It doesn't matter if there's two on the block already. I'm going to set up right next to them. And the next person said, doesn't matter. I'll go across the street from you. And someone else said, I'm going to go right next to you. In fact, I'm going to take over the next block. It doesn't matter what you're selling or plan to sell. It doesn't matter if someone else has already done it. The question is, what's going to make you different from the rest of them? Again, they're selling lights. And I'm certain they're selling the same lights. But no one can be you. There's only one of you. You might be a twin, but it's still just one of you. Again, I'm telling you, do not let anyone stop you, including yourself, from working on a project or product that you want to bring to the market. Do your research. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Just take your time, work on it, bring it to the market, and I hope that you're successful. So I want to encourage you, do what you need to do, stay diligent, do your part, and celebrate your success. And even if you don't win, right? Even if you fail at it, so what? So what? You would have realized this just didn't work. And you're on to the next one. On to the next one, on to the next one. And I'm out of here because I got my, I got to get some things done. I got to pack to fly back home tomorrow. Anyway, stay encouraged and stay tuned for Resolve Workshop 2.0. But again, do what you need to do to get what you need. We out.